Hi friends, welcome to Doodle Buddies with Nosh. So we're making mini Chinese lanterns today. I'm using these bottle caps to make the lantern. The first step is that I've painted all the bottle caps in the color red, and I've kept two as green. I don't think I've kept those actually. Those are the 7-Up bottle caps, so they're already green. And the next step is that I've used my glue gun because I did not have the soldering machine, so I've used the glue gun to poke holes in all of these bottle caps. I've tapered the end of my twine with some masking tape and passed it through the bottle caps, and that now I'll be making a loop out of it. Yeah, I think there are around roughly 12 bottle caps in that. So there will be a green bottle cap on top and underneath the main body of the lantern. So as to be able to tie an overhanging knot, I've made 2 holes on the green bottle cap. I'm smoothing that hole by placing the scissor. You can use a knife as well. So I've placed the twine in such a manner. That's the top one. And now I'm going to snip off some of the twine, and then we'll pass it through the center of the main body of the lantern, like so. I'm going to repeat the same step on the other side as well, with the other green bottle lid. And once I tie that up, yeah, I'm actually adjusting over here, making sure that it's relatively round, the main red body. Notice how cute it looks, even just like this. And now I'm going to do the other side with the other one, yeah, like so, and tie a knot. And that's it. Now, if you want, there is an option, of course. If you want, you can make a tassel and attach that. That would really look nice if you could attach a tassel as well at the other side and hang them. This is another one as well that I tried out. This was with the main body is white and the cap on top and bottom are green. You know, if you have the bottle caps, this is a fun, easy, and a very quick craft. The kids can enjoy it. You can hang these in your house. They make very cute decorative pieces as well. And I think the best part about this craft is that you're utilizing something that was actually trash. So, you know, you're saving the landfills as well. I hope you'll try this craft with your children. So if you do try it out, please share the pictures with us as well. You can also visit me on my blog, which is www.doodlebuddies.net. So I hope you subscribe to this channel as well. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.